Well, then ought to keep him in.
Yeah, right. You know, as soon as you turn your back, I'm gonna escape.
No, you're not.
Who are you?
I'm the big train guy. Or TBTG for short. Here are some mattresses to put behind the bars.
Thanks. Huh? Dog balls. He escaped.
Yeah. Good luck with him.
Fuck. Those so-called guards absolutely suck at their job. You know what? I should take advantage of this. Excellent. Now off to the prison. But of course, I gotta get back in disguise.
Hey. Watch this. Huh. Hey, Vortex. Someone left us a box of M10 duos.
With a note too. From M10 to the guards at the local prison. Thanks for working so hard to keep our town safe from most, if not all crime.
Well, what the are we waiting for? Let's drink up.
You all work for me now. You are now all shoplifters, vandals, and etc. Hey, let's go up modulator.
Fuck. Great idea.
Oh, day 4008. Wait, what are you doing?
What the heck is your problem? Are you out of your mind? We work for P50 now. He's our boss. That's right. I hypnotized these guys and now they are my minions. Henna. Now let's go shoplift God Faraday's pizza.
Alright.
Oh no. I need to get help before they do anything else. Here is your pepperoni pizza with a garlic and herb dip. And a Thunder Cola. That'll be ours now, thanks. Ours. Frisbee Tower. What the heck are you doing? It turns out T50 hypnotized all the guards at the prison and now he is doing evil stuff with them. So you crashed a car through the wall. That doesn't matter. T50 and his brainwashies are tearing TSM World a new one right now and we gotta stop them. Alright, relax Frisbee Tower, I'm sure we can think of something. Hey, you know what? If cartoons and movies have taught me anything, it's that, if you spill water on someone's head who's been hypnotized, they will be hypnotized and return to normal. Really? Cartoons and movies? Yeah. We're in one right now, so it might work. Hey, I already destroyed this wall by mistake. No need for you to break the fourth one. Oh, whatever. Blasterific 9000 is making a weather machine right now that can be used to prevent it from raining on tornado siren test days. I mean, for God's sake. One of 2001's brothers almost got hit by lightning on that day. Oh well, that's dandy. But we need it to rain in order to get all of T50's slaves wet to cure them of their hypnosis. Ah, I see. Maybe he can make it so it's reversible too. Let's go talk to him. Hey Blasterific. How is the rain control thing coming along? Almost done. Just one more screw. Good. Because, well, I know this device is meant to stop it from raining, but can this device also work in reverse and make it rain? You know what? You were thinking the same thing I was. I just added a feature to make it rain so it can do just that in addition to being able to stop the rain or prevent it. Great. Because P50 brainwashed the whole guard group at the local prison and turned them into his minions. And the only way to fix this is to get them all wet. So, if we make it rain, they'll be cured in no time. And as an added bonus, they'll all arrest P50 in the spot. Ha! That's awesome. Let's get this thing outside right away and let her rip. Nicely done, gang. We did it.